Hey guys, we're back with a quick how-to video. This is for clearing out and reprogramming your HomeLink on your Honda Pilot, either 2023, 2024. This one's the 25 Elite model, just in case you try to do the pairing process with your garage door opener and then end up staying on a green light, but your garage door is not open, as you can just see right now. So quick way to reprogram, it's going to erase all your stored files. So if you already set one up and you're trying to set up a second garage, I have a 2-car garage and I ended up not getting this first one set up correctly. You'll get this button here, just green, garage door not doing anything. This is how you clear everything up, start from scratch. So some models might have this auto dimming feature here. That one you don't have to worry about, but you will worry about these two right here, the first and the third. And this is how you're going to clear out the system here. So you're going to hold down these here, and then it's going to start flashing. Usually it takes about 12 seconds or so, but just keep holding them down until it starts flashing. And that's when you know it's clear. Boom. Now you should be able to go back to your normal pairing process. So that's it, guys, for the Pilot. This one's the Elite 25 model, but it should work on any ones that have this HomeLink feature with these buttons here. And definitely, if you liked what you saw, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back for some more how-to videos.